guys, so this is Editing Khadijah, and as you guys are probably seeing this, you guys are like, oh my god, she has turned into the new Emma Chamberlain. I promise you I have not. I just wanted to come here and say I am so sorry that I have not been on YouTube for so long, and also not even my YouTube. I have actually not even been on my Instagram for so long, and even if I'm posting, it's always about my friends and my family, and it's not even about makeup for the longest time because a lot of things has been going through in my head and just in my life in general, and I just don't want to talk about it. Basically, I don't have a proper excuse as to why I've been off of YouTube for about nearly a month or even 2 months. Actually, this is probably the longest break I have taken away from YouTube. I just wanted to say that I'm really sorry. Yeah, I really hope you guys will start enjoying all my content again. I have started filming a lot. I'm just left to edit a lot of them. But yeah, let's just get started with the video. Hey guys, so from the title of this video, you guys probably already know today I'm gonna be doing I'll be doing a top rated best-selling Sephora makeup items. Now the thing is, I don't have every single thing from Sephora that are top rated and best selling and 5 stars and whatever. I have stuff from them that are like 4.5, 4.7 star out of 5. So I did feature almost everything that I have. Everything that is top rated best selling here. Some of it is not. I probably did say it in the video. Please note that, you know, top rated and best selling items can change a lot. An hour ago I checked for the eye primer and it was the Smashbox one, and then like an hour later I checked and it was all the way down and up. It's Urban Decay. So it changes a lot throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the month. So if you guys see it again, you guys will be like, girl, that's not top rated. Well, it changes all the time. I'm sorry. Before you guys continue to this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know the deal with that. I think we are done with this intro, so let's just get started. So as you guys can see that the intro and by the title, I'm gonna be doing full face of makeup using top rated Sephora makeup or best selling like makeup products from Sephora. I don't have everything, but I pick and choose like the things that I have basically, because I wish I could just run out the door, you know, just take things from Sephora and buy. Like, wow, I really wish that was my life, but it isn't. So I have a list of products that I actually went to Sephora's website just now just to see. I'm gonna go with eye primer first because as you guys know, I always do my eye makeup first. Okay, so I'm gonna sort it to top rated. So if you guys can see that there are a few things here. So as I'm scrolling down, I found this primer which I already have right here, so I'm gonna do that to prime my eyes. This eye primer, I've had this for at least like 2-3 years now, and I don't know if it's gonna perform the best. And I have a little bit of scarring on my eyebrows right here just because I recently threaded my eyebrows, so I want to like cheat and put on concealer as well because this does not have any concealing properties. This is straight up just a regular eye primer. Let's stick to the video. I'm just gonna apply this all over my eyelids. So I'm looking at the eyeshadow palette. It says that the Natasha Denona Tropic palette is the highest, but actually yesterday when I went onto the Sephora app, it said that it was the Natasha Denona Sunset palette, which is this one right here, and I have it because I'm a psycho bitch. This is actually a perfect opportunity to actually use the eyeshadow, so I have literally not touched it. It is absolutely freaking beautiful. This is top rated and it costs $190. I'm gonna go into the shade Bermuda. I'm just going to set my eye with that. Although I don't think this is like a setting powder, but I'm just gonna do it, you know. I'm gonna go into the shade Soul, which is that yellow, bright yellow shade. Oh my god, I am so excited. Whew. That shit is pigmented, girl. Holy shit, that it's pigmented. Now I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Horizon and Sinai, which is like an orange and a brown. I'm gonna put that in my crease. I was actually having a hard time trying to blend like the eyeshadow because of the brush, and I wanted to change, but then I realized like it literally is already blended. Now I'm gonna go into that bright red shade, which is called Pungent. Do you see like the depth? Like you guys can see, like, it's so pretty. And then I'm gonna go into the shade Terra. I'm trying to use as many like colors as I can. I'm gonna build up on the outer corner right there. Oh my god, I'm so in love with the fact that the yellow is still sticking out like a sore thumb. Like, I love it. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this look. Like, seriously, obsessed with this look. I'm gonna go back into the red shade, which is Pungent. And I'm just gonna put it right on top here. Do you see like that? There's that redness that's peeking through right below the yellow. Oh yes. I'm gonna go into this small detail brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Volcano. Can you see that? Like, there's that transition. Holy shit. I feel like it looks a little bit harsh on camera, but in real life it's so blended and like it has so much depth. Oh my god, I am so happy I bought this palette. For the eyelid, for the blank space, I'm gonna go back into that same shade that we used in the first place, which is Bermuda, and just really pack that on. Blend them out. Just blend that in like that. Ooh. Ooh. Make sure no harsh line, no harsh line. I'm gonna clean out the outer corner. So for eyeliner, so one of their top, I have the list here. So for eyeliner, it says that it is a Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner that looks like this, just like so. And this is under their top rated eyeliner. So this is actually a 5-star eyeliner. Let's see how good this is, because like, I'm so sorry my mirror is blocking again, so. Oh, it's a bit draggy. How the hell is this a top eyeliner? I don't know if I have a dud, but this eyeliner is so difficult. It's so pigmented, but it's so difficult. Oh my god. It's so hard to get me like a sharp ass wing. Okay, so I've already done my eye. I have to say I hate the eyeliner so far. Not even so far, I hate it so much. I felt like I basically had to like drag the eyeliner on my eye, and I've never had that problem ever with any of my eyeliners. But this one is so bad, it actually hurts my eye now. It's a beautiful formula, like it's so gorgeous, but the actual like applicator of the eyeliner sucks balls. So no, it's a no from me. So for lashes, now I don't have like a lot of Sephora lashes, so the only ones I have are actually Huda Beauty lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and see like the top rated best selling lashes. So Huda Beauty Samantha lashes has 4 stars. A lot of people love this lashes so much. Farah lashes also got 4 stars, so I think I'm just gonna use Samantha lashes because I think that Samantha lashes looks the best, so I'm gonna use that off camera. For mascara, I don't have high-end mascara. Ugh, sorry, I really don't, because I don't believe in high-end mascara, because again I use lashes all the time. So, and even if I don't, I use drugstore mascaras and they're amazing as it is. I don't feel like I need to fork out $40 for a mascara. Oh, is this cracking? You guys, after like filming the whole eye part, I was wondering why do I look so dark? It's because of this. Like I had my curtains all the way here, so that's why it looks so dark. God damn. So for primer, the 2 primers that are like the top rated ones are the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, Pro Matte, okay, whatever it is. It's the Fenty primer. There's only one, that one, yeah. And also the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. So I decided I want to be a little bit more bougie, so I'll be using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer today. So far, I've only used this once. I mean, because first of all, this thing fucking cost me $70. Only use it for special events. But currently, my only special events is filming a video at 12 AM in the morning. Great. So fun. For eyebrows, I think I will skip it because my eyebrows are pretty full on its own already. Like, this is with no eyebrow product on at all, and they look good. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Nars Sheer Glow foundation. So I'm just going to stamp that on my face. So the Nars foundation is one of the top rated foundations in Sephora online, like the store. And I mean, for good reasons. This foundation is one of the best. Like, it's a glowy but like beautiful and full coverage. I'll say it's like medium to full. You can definitely build up the coverage, and it comes with a lot of foundation shades, so you guys can definitely find your perfect shade. So for concealer, we have the Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer, and this one again is a top rated concealer, and I'm in the shade Golden Beige. Of course, this concealer is talked about for good reasons. A lot of people say this is the equivalent to, what's that concealer that everyone talks about? Tarte Shape Tape. A lot of people say it's equivalent to Tarte Shape Tape, that it's actually better because it's more hydrating. Like, even though I've just started using it, I love it so much. It is so full coverage, and it blends so seamlessly and nice. Like, goddamn. Do you see how full coverage my under eyes suddenly look? And my face looks so good right now because of all the good products I've been putting on my skin. Duh. Okay, so now that's done. For powder, the top rated powder is the Laura Mercier loose powder. Actually, they were talking about the Laura Mercier mineral powder. I don't have that, but I have the loose powder version, so I feel like it's kind of the same, right? In my head, at least. If I want like full coverage, I want to look like a damn doll, this is the powder I go for. Like, literally, this is one of my favorite powders ever. So I'm just going to set my under eye, and I'm going to set my whole entire face with this. So the top rated bronzer in Sephora is the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and I'm in the shade Rich Amber. I just realized I still have foundation on my hand, and it could have gotten on my white top. I don't like this. This bronzer is very dark, but I guess we're gonna make it work. So soft and smooth. It looks like your skin is actually like just bronzy. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Yep, as I said it, I have foundation stain on my shirt. Yep. Yeah. No, it's fine. No, really, it's fine. For contour, their top rated bronzer is Tom Ford. I can't afford Tom Ford. Benefit Hoola, which I have, so I'm gonna take that and use it to contour my cheekbones. I think Benefit Hoola is my first bronzer ever. I'm pretty sure it is. And I still use it till today. I love it so much. It gives such a nice finish to my face. Okay, so now that I've bronzed and contoured my skin, I feel like I look very bronzy and glowy. I love it. For blush, it says that Nars blushes are one of the best selling blushes, which I agree. Nars blushes are definitely one of the best blushes I've ever tried in my entire life. They are full intensity, full pigmentation, and they blend really easily. The thing is, they're really pigmented, so like if you apply this early in the morning, you gotta be careful. You can easily look like a damn clown, so if you want to put on Nars blushes, just be careful. Really be careful. This is in the shade Torrid, which is a nice coral pinky blush. I don't know if it suits this eye look that much, but so I'm gonna take Nars Sin instead. Now it looks so crazy, like if you see it like that, it's crazy. When you put it on your cheeks, it is beautiful. It's like a nice cool tone pink, pinky nude. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. One of the best-selling Sephora products are the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kits. And, I mean, for good reasons. This is a beautiful glow kit. It has such beautiful colors. This is like pure like gold. And then this is gold with pink reflex. I don't know if you guys can see. This is white with a lot of yellow gold running through it. And this is just a straight up like pink highlight, which is not something I... So I'm just going to go into the shade Butterscotch, which is that gold shade. And you guys going to see how crazy it is, okay? Like, look at that. It has a lot of glitter, so if you don't like glitter in your highlight, you're not gonna like this highlight, but I love a good glittery highlight, so I'll put it on my nose, my cupid's bow. Then I'm gonna go into the shade Marshmallow, which is that whitish with a lot of yellow gold reflex. I'm gonna put that right at my high point right here. Now that that's done, I'm gonna do my lower lashes off camera, and then I'll be back to go for the highest rated liquid lipstick. Let's move on to the lips, and the highest rated liquid lipsticks, or lipsticks in general, are Kat Von D liquid lipsticks, which is like, duh, like they are definitely one of the best liquid lipsticks in the freaking market. They're lightweight and they like just, they're just amazing. Okay, Kat Von D liquid lipsticks, they got my heart, girl, they got my heart. I actually only want to use this shade, but I feel like I want to mix and see how it goes. I don't know, I've been into this ombre look. It's a thing, okay? So I'm going to take my Kat Von D liquid lipstick, it's a mini one, in the shade Hawkind. I'm just going to apply that first, and then I'll apply the shade Ludwig right in the center to create like an ombre effect. Okay, so now that I've had the shade Hawkind on, I'm going to take the shade Ludwig and just apply it right on top. This is seriously one of my favorite shades, like, hands down. So this is the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is the 30 ml one, the travel size one. Because I didn't want to invest in a big full tub one, because like, I don't believe in setting sprays. I mean, is it just me? I just don't believe in setting sprays, okay? I'm sorry. Every time I spray this, it reminds me of my cousin, because she says that the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray smells like mac chicken. I don't get it. I don't know where she finds that smell from. I don't smell McChicken. Yes, Aisha, I'm calling you out on camera. This is the completed makeup look using all top rated or best selling Sephora makeup items. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. I know Guardian has an online store, so maybe we can search for like top rated beauty makeup on Guardian, and then I can buy it and then do like a full drugstore version. Okay, I'm like low-key excited for that. I don't know if that exists on the Guardian website, but if it does, I'm gonna do that, like 100%. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. Maybe like a full face of a certain brand. Let me know. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you girls. Bye. Mwah.